Hi, I'm Shane from Path Forward Formulator. If you haven't already had a demo of our product, just click the link in the post above, schedule your demo today, and we'll show you what it's all about. In this episode of 3 Minute Thursday, we're going to build a couple different gamer formulas featuring some really cool ingredients from our partners. And we're also going to show you some of the features of how you can change the way your ingredients appear on a label. So if I'm going to build a formula with Vitacholine from Balchem, and I'm going to use choline chloride because it's got a higher choline content, I've got a couple choices in the way it will appear on the label. In this case, if I choose the Show B3 function, this right here will show up in the B3 section of the label, and I kind of want it to do that so you can see that the choline content is coming from the trademarked Vitacholine. We're also going to put some lutein in here to support eye health. And we want to look at this ingredient record, particularly because this is a 20% material and we know it's got safflower oil as a carrier. We can see that percentage has been set up in here. And then zeaxanthin as the subcomponent. We're going to want both of those on the label, and the system will do that automatically for you. Let's go ahead and build a liquid-filled capsule. We'll put the lutein in there first at 10 milligrams. We'll let it adjust for potency. We want some energy, so we're going to go ahead and put 100 mg of caffeine in there. And then we're going to put 800 milligrams of Vitacholine as choline chloride, which is 74% choline, so that should fit in 2 capsules. If we look at the fact sheet, it's labeled choline appropriately, but remember we chose B3, so it will show that the choline is coming from Vitacholine. And you can see the subcomponent of the lutein material, zeaxanthin, is labeled. We're going to go ahead and save this and show you another feature of Path Forward Formulator where we duplicate the formula, and this time we're going to change it to a powder. We're going to remove the soft paste lutein and the choline chloride. We're going to switch to a powdered lutein, an encapsulated choline bitartrate. Now we're going to add vitamin C and a couple B vitamins in the amounts I found in an existing gamer product. We're going to add both L-Tyrosine and acetyl L-carnitine at 500 mg each. Then we're going to top it off with 630 milligrams of BrainFight from our friends at MicroFight. If we look at the supplement facts, we've got a very high amount of B12 in here. In fact, let's go ahead and take that down to 25 micrograms. Everything is labeling as we want it to. Let's go ahead and save this one. View the record. We're going to export the specification sheet, and we'll go straight to the supplier section where we can see where to get these from. BrainFight, of course, coming from MicroFight. Vitacholine, of course, coming from Balchem. And the High-Fill Lutein from Stauber. And that is how you build a couple different gamer formulas in 3 minutes or less with speed and efficiency on award-winning Path Forward Formulator. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you next time on 3 Minute Thursdays.